So we've got health and safety handrail there. We walk through there. Cut a beam through these joists here. Then I've got to go through to that wall plate out there. So we've now got to cut down each of these, and we'll try to retain the seam best we can. Then we'll just grind out these little nails what hold the lath and plaster up. So we'll cut that first one, not and clean that. So what we're doing now, get the old grinder. There's all stuff you don't see to produce the product. And each time we've got to just get that lath over there. Baby! And the wall plate. So we'll scoop all that up, get rid of that in a bucket. And we'll keep repeating this process till we get through over there. Okay, we're easing our way through, got through 4 joists, taking quite a long time, but that's what you've got to be patient, little steps, and now we're making the beam, bolting it together. We got that bad boy in there.
Oh, 14 Clark.
Not a crane in sight. See the big triple beam we made up, all bolted together as designed by the engineer to his specifications. And there I was picking all the joists up. This was all strapped. Joist hangers. If we just walk up the top, let's have a look. So we had to recess all the bolts, threaded rod. And here we can see it in its final resting place. So it went from here all the way through to the outside wall plate. And that's 3 bits of 200 by 75 bolted together to create a main structure beam. And then we fixed those joists onto this one with these straps, and there you have it. That's sort of, you can now see what we've created. We got one there which was a double, which was no problem, but that one there was a beast. So you can now see We've created all the framework, all the windows in. That's really starting to take shape. Well pleased with that. It's been re-roofed. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows in there. Absolutely fantastic. We're just waiting for the stair size and we can put the last trimmer in there. Jobs are good. Just see that over there.